If you've ever told yourself that you're too old, it's too late, or you just don't have enough time to learn Italian, this video is for you. I hear these every single week, and I want to show you why these limiting beliefs are not only false, but they're exactly what's holding you back from learning Italian and connecting with others the way you really want to. My name's Maria. I'm a native English speaker myself and creator of the Italian Toolkit Program. I help adults go from barely saying ciao to having full-blown, real Italian conversations, even if they've tried and failed before. One of my students, Lorraine, thought that she was too old to learn Italian, and upon working with me, she was able to go from barely saying ciao and again having that limiting belief of thinking she was too old to believing in the method and going around Italy in areas not populated by tourists and having an incredible experience. She says it has been wonderful. We've been to so many beautiful places that are not populated by tourists. We walked around and dined with all the locals, and unlike the really big cities, a lot of these people don't speak English. She says that her advice to all of you going is to keep studying. It's just been one wonderful experience after another. So we took her mindset, reframed it, and instead of thinking that she needed more time, she needed a new method. So if you've been thinking these limiting beliefs and need a new method yourself, click subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out. I make videos just like this for people just like you. So here's the truth, learning Italian isn't about having hours on end per day to dedicate and sit down and look at a textbook and study. Like, that's not how language learning really works in this sense. It's also not about having a perfect memory where you just memorize the words you want to say in every given situation. Language learning doesn't work like that. It's about building confidence, consistency, and using what you know in real conversation. So let me walk you through the key mindset shifts and actual strategies that work for busy adults. Number one, ditch the fluency myth. I hear this all the time. You don't need to be fluent to connect with people, okay? Get that through your brain. You do not need to be fluent. A lot of people will go through classes and courses and programs and textbooks, and they wait until they feel like they have it all memorized to start speaking. But fluency is a moving target, and chasing it can actually hold you back a lot. Most of the magic happens at that conversational level. That's where you make friends, you start to feel understood, you start expressing yourself and learning about other people, and you really start integrating into Italian life. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need real interaction. And that's so much more achievable than you think. Number two, make Italian part of your everyday life, not just something to check off on your to-do list. Even 10 minutes a day of active, focused learning will get you further than hours of passive learning. And what do I mean by that? I mean that you don't need hours of free time a day to study Italian. You just need a little bit of consistency. I teach my students inside the program how to weave Italian into part of their everyday life, even when they're juggling family, friends, social activities, and just other responsibilities. In fact, one of my students, Bob, he incorporates Italian learning into his morning drive to work every day. That might mean listening to a short dialogue about Italian dinner, sending a message to your friend in Italian and saying, "Hey, I'm learning Italian. Here's something I learned today." Or even repeating a phrase while walking your dog. I speak to my dog in Italian. The point is, you want Italian to fit into your life, not compete with your life. And when Italian becomes a part of your everyday like that, it really sticks and you enjoy the learning process more. Number three, prioritize speaking, not just memorizing. You're not learning Italian to pass a test. And unfortunately, a lot of school-based classes teach that way. You're learning to talk to people, and if you're watching this video and you're listening to me right now and you're here on this channel, we focus on actual connection with people, because to me, that's why you would want to learn language, right? Not to just like pass a test or some insane passion for grammar, right? The reason you're learning a language is to talk to people, and that means you actually have to speak, not just study. So many people spend months, years. I've seen insane streaks on certain language learning apps, and yet when the time comes for someone to actually speak Italian in Italy or with Italian family or friends, they just freeze. They just can't do it. They can't bring themselves to have a conversation and interact. I teach my clients now how to start speaking literally from day one. I have a free lesson in the link below in the description. You'll start speaking Italian in 60 minutes, actually less. I promise you. We literally start speaking from the start. And that's because right in the beginning, the goal isn't perfection. Everyone knows you're learning. That's fine. That's normal. The goal is not perfection. Okay? It's interaction. It's connection. It's getting your point across. And the only way to start communicating and building that confidence is to actually dive right in, even if it feels a little bit messy at first, and that's where the growth happens and the fun begins. Numero 4, number 4, find a method that fits into your life and your schedule and not one that fits into a classroom. Most Italian courses, like I said, are built for a classroom. And what's funny is most of the teachers teaching those classes are native speakers, didn't go through the learning process themselves, and don't have any teaching credentials. They don't really know how to teach. So they just go with what they think learning is, which is textbooks, grammar drills, conjugations nonstop, and exercises designed to pass an exam. But let me ask you this. Are you learning Italian to be able to speak with people, or are you learning Italian to pass an exam? Because those are two very different goals, and we really need to focus on communication, conversation, connection. It's really frustrating to me to see programs out there and classes out there and apps out there that have this curriculum that is literally only about rules and nothing to do about speaking or conversing, or how to connect with somebody, how to ask questions, how to create in your own mind sentences and expressions and communication. And that's really frustrating. And if you're like me, when you learn a language, you don't want to feel like you're in school again, right? Especially if you are busy, if you are older, right? You don't want to feel like you're juggling 10 million different things and learning Italian is just going to negatively impact your life. It's not a chore. It shouldn't be like a chore. That's why the method I teach, called the Swirl Method, is based around real communication. We focus on how to speak in everyday conversations, even with limited vocabulary, even with not so 100% perfect fluency. So you can start literally from day one. Free lesson below. You'll start speaking in 60 minutes, literally, less, guaranteed. So you can feel progress and start building that momentum and then get better as you go to achieve that 100% perfect level. My clients don't just memorize words and repeat them like word vomit. No, they use them in a way that feels natural and relevant to their daily lives. And that's what keeps them going, even with a really busy schedule. We all, each and every one of us, have our own limiting beliefs when it comes to achieving something really great. So I would love for you to comment which limiting belief you have with learning Italian that you're overcoming right this very second, so you can finally start connecting with others in Italian and really building those meaningful relationships with people. If this hit home for you and you've had those limiting beliefs and you're just tired of letting them affect your everyday life and ability to connect with people, build friends, connect with family in Italian, and you're serious about speaking Italian, like it's not just some cool hobby for you, like you could learn any language, but you're really serious about it, then I'd love to invite you to book a free call with me. We'll go deep and have a real conversation on if we're a good fit to work together inside of my Italian Toolkit program. I've helped hundreds of adults go from stuck with Italian and barely saying ciao to totally social butterflies living the life in Italy. The first step of that journey is to book a call with me. The link is below, and I can't wait to chat with you and hear all about your story and why you want to learn Italian. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment below and click the little notification bell so you don't miss out when I post a new lesson. And if you want to keep going and watch more videos on how to actually speak Italian, like literally right now, you can watch this video right here on Italian Conversation. I hope you liked this video. Ci vediamo. Ciao!